inside Xingrui Tools factory, we can see the machine in front of us is the automatic machine to produce flute. Flutes are the sharp slabs that probe screen upwards along the length of a drill bit. They are responsible for doing the cutting work when the drill bit is spinning, and usually the twist drills, the helix angle is about 32 degrees. We can produce DIN 338, DIN 340. American standard and Japanese standard has drill bit. This machine can protect the depth, width, and other required for the drill bit. This is important process. Now we can see this machine in front of us is an automatic machine to produce the trim of the health drill bit. And we can produce 118 degree, 120 degree, 130 degree, 135 degree, and 140 degree.
Insert technology makes foreign trading easier.